This is the iPod Nano 6th Gen screen repair guide. The first step is to use a heat gun or a hairdryer and heat the adhesive. Make sure to use quick movements and heat along the outside edges. Now use the safe pry tool and pry along the outside edges of the screen. Do this slowly and carefully as to not damage the flex cable hidden underneath. Carefully lift the screen from the housing and remove all other adhesive. Next, remove the two small Phillips screws as shown in the video. Carefully remove the metal plating using the safe pry tool. Now simply remove the two pop connectors as shown in the video. You can now remove the screen and replace it.